So imagine this, we'll just shoot 5 major campaigns in 8 hours.
Adil had informed us that we are planning 4 reels based on storytelling. However, it felt impossible to shoot. Adil gave that assurance that we will be able to pull it.
फॉलो करो जरा, अभी आगे पुलिस वाला रहेगा तो फाइन मारेगा। और गाइस फाइनली अपन अंतरिक्ष अपने होटल में, और नवीन सराज है अपनी गाड़ियाँ अनलोड हो चुकी है गाइस।
Pania, why is he Pania? So you're Pania, he's Punya, she's Minia.
सर गाड़ी बन रहे हैं गाड़ी।
ये कॉर्नर ये
You know BTS जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है।
We looked at the space and everything, and when we came, we thought we should do a horror series there because the place was so run down. But the nature and the landscape and all of that was like brilliant. We said, yeah, for sure we can execute at least a few concepts there. There were some nice bridges. We thought this bridge can actually show the bridge in generational gap. So one idea occurred at the same spot while standing on that bridge. We show the old DX going from there and the new DX being shot on this side of the bridge. The place was so run down, so we thought, you know what, let's just use this to our advantage. So in our main campus chill video, which was our campaign, there was a college campus there. So these people they go to this rundown place, and then they just freak out there. They do some graffiti, they hang out, and they go there with the bikes and all of these things. So a part of the ideation happened on the recce day itself.
This model is of Sony. This is 2105 का, and this is G Master.
ये वो फैशन ब्लॉगर्स रहते ना, जैकेट 70K, शूज 30,000, each bike 1 lakh.
कितने तो ब्लैक कलर के डब्बे में आ रहे हैं आजकल।
New packaging, birthday नए packaging डिजाइन के। How many? This is a new bird milk.
इस शूट की प्रिपरेशन अभी से चालू हो गई है। ये नवीन सर, इनको 4 पीस दिए है।
कहाँ है कैमरा?
रुक इधर दे, और एक पीस डाल दो उसमें, डाल 1 मिनट। सजन सर गिरा,
मैंने ले लिया भाई, मेरे को नवीन बाजू
अभी
My
इधर
shoe.
छोटा
He fucking dropped on my shoe, dude.
वीडियो होता वीडियो क्लोज अप और क्लोज अप।
The models were there, they were waiting. I said, चलो जल्दी जाके we'll start.
Initially, everything, we mainly did the puja of the equipments. So we were on the first ad set. That was a couple ad.
The actor we chose was very interesting because he didn't act.
The actor that we took, he was a bit nervous, then we could understand.
Sometimes you have to take a tough decision. I said, actor change karo.
The first ad that was expected to be wrapped up by 9:30 that extended up to 12:30 somewhere on that.
जैसे ही फर्स्ट रील हुआ, हम लोगों ने बहुत दौड़ा, फर्स्ट रील का लास्ट सेगमेंट मार्केट में जाके शूट कर लिया।
जैसे जैसे लाइफ एंड काइनेटिक दोनों सेम है।
क्या मतलब?
तो क्या मतलब? यू शुड बी लाइक वेरी सरप्राइज। क्या बोल रहा है तेरे को? ठीक है, क्या मतलब?
Suddenly it's noon and the sun comes up and one actress faints. The cameraman says, I want to leave. I said, Fayaz, why do you have to go, man? Who will take the video?
मैं भागा, उसको हॉस्पिटल के लिए भेजा and I came back.
And then now we have to shoot another sequence which requires 2 girls, but we have only 1 girl. You know, the next thing I see is Mithali there.
And he looks at me and he's like, take her, you should act. Then I was made to sit down and act.
We moved on to the second ad. Priority was to shoot perfectly and on time. Things got a bit difficult for us as we improvised the concept a bit.
वो स्क्रिप्ट में हम लोगों ने उसी टाइम पे बहुत सारे चेंजेस कर दिए हम लोगों ने। जिस हिसाब से लोकेशंस के हिसाब से जो स्क्रिप्ट बनी थी, उस हिसाब से थोड़ा बहुत मैच नहीं हो पा रहा था। 1-2 घंटे में रैप अप कर दिया। कुणाल बहुत ड्रेन आउट हो गया था उस टाइम पे, बिकॉज प्रेशराइज हो गए थे हम लोग कि बहुत जल्दी एंड अप करना है।
सॉरी यार, खा लो थोड़ा। नहीं, स्माइल नहीं कर रहा मैं। ठीक है, सॉरी।
You're sad.
लोअर शेयर रेडी थे, उनको लिया। तो स्टेयर सीक्वेंस के लिए अब ये था कि हमको चाहिए था एक ऊपर एक बालकनी था, तो हमको बालकनी में जाके एंगल लेना था।
बढ़िया।
जैसे ही 4 बजे मेरा पूरा फोटो सीक्वेंस हो गया,
photo shoot. Pause, 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 pause.
मेरा बचा था ब्रिज, सेम दैट पॉइंट. कुणाल को ड्रोन लेके राइडिंग शॉट्स के लिए जाना था. तो वो ब्रिज सीक्वेंस जो है वो हमने लाइक अराउंड 5 मिनट में पूरा ब्रिज सीक्वेंस रैप अप किया.
गाइस सुबह से शूट कर रहे, खाना एक ना सुबह से एक खाना खाया ना एक बूंद पानी पिया.
I went separately the sequels of Campus Chill, which was graffiti area.
And big shout out to my team because we did not even have artists because graffiti was a big chunk. So me and my entire team, we all spray painted the entire wall.
लवासा पीपल सेड नहीं वो निकालना ही पड़ेगा, तो आप बाद में पेंट करके जाना, नहीं तो हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं आपको.
But after they saw the artwork, they said, you know what, रहने दो, चाहिए हमको.
किरकोळ गँगस्टर ना खाऊन बसलो एमपीडी तोंडावरती स्माइल आणि हातामध्ये हातकडी सिटी मध्ये.
I went separately. I managed a graffiti segment where Kunal was handling rolling shots. Simultaneously, we managed to help each other. We managed to back each other up.
We had left out one sequence, which was the diner sequence, and I was a little confused and I was a little contemplating feeling bad little bit कि यार रह गया because I wanted those 5 ads. Like big shout out to Naveen. So then Naveen says क्या हो गया, क्यों ऐसा डरे यार, वो एक रह गया. Like wait, I'll make it happen. We had permission to shoot like for 8 hours after fighting so much. Just a few hours, 3-4 hours exceeded the time, and that's when we decided chalo we'll wrap up. He went and he fought with those guys there, and he made sure that I shoot my second sequence at 11 PM, and then we shot that one last sequence.
Hello guys, I'm leaving. It's getting late. ठीक है?
घर जा रही हो क्या?
हाँ.
Just wait 2 minutes. You have to say wait 2 minutes.
Okay. Wait 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah.
शादी का डिसीजन इतना इजी नहीं होता.
जैसे बाइक का स्पीड कंट्रोल हमारे हाथ में होता है.
Good idea.
Yeah, we roll like that. OGs reborn. From the 90s grit to the 25 dawn. Old school heart with a new age form. Step back into the gears, the legend is born. My tiny talks back, that's a digital bond. Charge up, flip out now, watch me transform. This ain't just a ride, it's a vibe you perform. Connect, DX, electric, the legend is reborn. Yeah, X on silent, power when I glide. Electric car beat, city in my stride. Keyless go, no drama, no delay. Tapping, I'm gone, yeah, I'm already on my way. Fast charge plug, no stress, no wait. Built for the moves that control your fate. Big boot space, throw dreams in the back. Future on wheels and I'm never off track. Smart dash glowing, talking to me live. AI in the ride, feel the future drive. From street to skyline, watch me perform. Legacy updated, I'm reborn in storm. Classic in my blood, but the system brand new. Yeah, fixing for the million, I'm in the form. Yeah, the legend is reborn.
Guys, so here we call it pack up.
नहीं अभी तक नहीं हुआ है.
Thank you. All done a great job.